Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about application of the derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have so we will have like this. This is about the chain rule of the derivative. Now we put number 1 going here and here. So 3 of number 1, that is about s. We put number 1 going here, and that is about number 2. So first the derivative f, and we have number 2. So we put number 2 going here, and we have number 5. So we put number 1 going here, and you got number 6. And you got 30. Now we can do similar for the second one. So we have like this. F of number 1, that is about number 3. So we put number 3 for 3 of s with first the derivative, and you got number 9. The next one we have number 4. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.